Very good morning from Manasika Culture. देखिए, today one of the best guy who is coming from Sunbeam School, and he is also purchasing some luxury kites and premium kites from AK Kite Center. So I think the feedback about regarding the Patang and the Manja is I wanted to personally take from the Sunbeam teacher. He's a teacher and he is also having a good shock and regarding all the kite and all the kite fighting and Manja. So please tell me about all the feedback regarding Manja. What you purchased.
Thank you, Golu Bhaiya, for introducing me. Thank you so much. No doubt about it that AK Kite Center is one of the best kite center into Varanasi. If anybody wants to purchase one of the premium kites among the Varanasi zone, they can absolutely blind faithfully come into the Varanasi and visit to the AK Kite Center without any doubt. You can start from the minimum ranges of 10 rupees and go to the up to your own will wherever you want to go. No doubt about the kites, they are much premium one. I have tasted all the kites over here, so I'm thoroughly enjoyed these kites into the skies, no doubt about it. So if you talk about the kites, you can see that these kites are most of the premium kites.
Every kites,
Each and every kite is one of the premium kite. Javed King, right? You can see the sticker Javed King, right? I have taken some of the kites of the Bablu. Asif Rahman. Asif Rahman, recommended by the Asad itself, the owner of this AK Kite Center. And one more card I have taken, Bablu Patang Market. So these are the premium kites. You can enjoy these kites into the sky onto this occasion of Makar Sankranti. So thank you so much, guys. Please follow the AK Kite culture and ban the Chinese manja.
And one more thing, who basically the Sunbeam student who basically watching this video. So as of now, from till 14 January to 20 of January, he also teaches the Patang kite fighting as well. So whoever wanted to learn from the kites, so he will definitely reach out to him. He will definitely guide you all the kites.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much. I really appreciate that the Sunbeam teacher is coming to the AK Kite Center. And
It's the passion that brings me here. And I lovely enjoyed the company of the Bablu Bhaiya and rest of the members of this AK Kite Center.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.